PHP is an acronym for PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is a widely used open source scripting language. PHP scripts are executed on the server. PHP is free to download and use. So as we know, PHP is a server-side scripting language. It is widely used and then open source scripting language. And then PHP scripts are executed on the server side itself. It is not the client server scripting language. PHP is free to download and use. So whenever we want, we can download the PHP software and we can install and we can use the software. So Hypertext Preprocessor means PHP Hypertext Preprocessor, we can say that acronym. PHP is a widely used open source scripting language. So the scripts are executed on the server side only. It is not a client side scripting language. It is a free to download and use. So PHP, so it is run on the client, it is run on the server side only. So next we can see what is the PHP. So PHP can generate dynamic page content. PHP can create, open, read, write, delete and close file on the server. PHP can collect from form of data. PHP can send and receive cookies. PHP can add, delete, modify data in your database. PHP can be used to control user access. PHP can encrypt data. So first, PHP is a dynamic page content. So next, it can be used to control users access. So what is the basic syntax of PHP? It can be placed anywhere in the document. A PHP script starts with a less than symbol and then question mark PHP and ends with a question mark symbol. So the default file extension for PHP file is .php. A PHP file normally contains HTML tags and some PHP scripting code. We have an example of simple PHP file with a PHP script that uses a built-in PHP function echo to output the text hello world. So in the echo statement, see in the echo statement, if you are giving any text inside the double quotation mark, it will be displayed in the screen. So PHP file is normally contains HTML tag and some PHP scripting code. The default file extension for PHP is .php, so that we can identify this is the this is the PHP file. So without the extension, we can't identify the file. This one is PHP file or Word file or Excel file or a PowerPoint presentation file. So through the extension only we can identify the file names. So it can be placed anywhere in the document. Okay. So these tags must be closed. So whenever you are opening the tag, we have to be closed. Then only it will be gives the results. Otherwise, it will throw the error message. We have to concentrate on the tags. So it normally contains HTML tag and some PHP scripting code. So we have an example of simple PHP file with a PHP scripting that uses a built-in PHP function echo to output the text hello world on a page. So the syntax we can follow in the programming statements. A comment in PHP code is a line that is not executed as a part of the program. Its only purpose is to be read by someone who is looking at the code. So comments can be used to let others understand your code, remind yourself of what you did. Most programmers have experienced coming back to their own work a year or 2 years later and having to really figure out what they did. Comments can remind you of what you were thinking when you wrote the code. So comments means actually when we are doing the program, we know about the particular program, but other persons, if they are opening the file particular program, means they don't know about the particular programming. So through the comment, they can identify what are the program, so why we are using the program, like that they can come to know that. In this video, we have seen about PHP and comments, what we have do in the PHP, and then so simple syntax and all we have seen. So it is very useful, I think. So in the next video we can see about PHP elaborately. So just look on the next video. Thank you.